ABAP Central Service Instance, ACS instance. ASCS instance is a mandatory instance in ABAP-based SAP system. Actually, before 2016, ACS instance is not a mandatory instance. Before 2016, when we install SAP system, when we install ABAP-based SAP system, database instance, central instance, these two instances only they install. So ACS instance is not a mandatory instance in olden days. But nowadays, ACS instance is a mandatory instance in ABAP-based SAP system. Compulsory. Without installing ACS instance, it is not possible to build ABAP-based SAP system. Now, what is available inside ACS instance? Okay, this is ACS instance. Inside ACS instance, message server, NQ server is there. Inside ACS instance, message server, NQ server is there. By default, inside ACS instance, message server is available, NQ server is available. But nowadays, means last like that I told you, before 2018 like that, on that time onwards, not 2008, 2020 like that, on that time onwards, what they do means, so they provided one option, additional components to be included in the ACS instance. In ACS instance, you require additional components. That means what they're telling clearly. So what is available inside ACS instance is called as components. So that means message server, NQ server, like that. What is available by default when we install ACS instance? These two compulsory will be available inside ACS instance. But when installing time, SWPM asks you, I want to install SAP Web Dispatcher gateway in ACS instance. They ask you here I have Web Dispatcher. There is no gateway. I have Web Dispatcher. Why means when installing time, I selected only Web Dispatcher. That's why in my ACS instance, Web Dispatcher only is available. When installing time, I selected Web Dispatcher. That's why in my ACS instance, Web Dispatcher only is available. Suppose we select both means gateway also is available. Suppose we did not select both means only message server, NQ server will be available. So in installing time compulsory, you got this option. They ask you. So there are two additional components is there. One is SAP Web Dispatcher and another one is gateway is there. I want to install a SAP Web Dispatcher or gateway. Both you require means both I install, or otherwise you want only one means particular select that one. That one only I install. Otherwise you don't want both means you no need to select like that. So inside ACS instance, message server, NQ server by default. When installing time, I select Web Dispatcher. That's why here Web Dispatcher is available. So ACS instance is one of the ABAP-based SAP system. In ABAP-based SAP system only, ACS instance is available. So we called as ACS instance or we called as ABAP Central Service Instance. It is one of the mandatory instance in ABAP-based SAP system. But in olden days, it is not a mandatory instance. We have requirement means we install ACS instance in olden days. But nowadays, ACS instance is a mandatory instance in ABAP-based SAP system. Inside ACS instance, message server, NQ server is available. Inside ACS instance, NQ server, message server is available. Installation time, we got Web Dispatcher gateway option. So depending on your selections in installing time, that component will be available in ACS instance. So that is about ACS instance in ABAP-based SAP system. Topic is completed.